Mr. and Mrs. Wallace, you appear before me to decide on a very unusual divorce application. Not only whether to grant a divorce, but who should retain all properties and the joint bank account. Mr. Wallace, what instigated this?
Well, Your Honour, it was a Saturday evening, just like any other, and Liz, Mrs. Wallace, had given me my pocket money.
Pocket money?
Yes, £10, so that I can go to the pub where I meet my friend Stevie Walker.
Only £10? Not a lot of money.
It's enough for 2 pints and 1 lottery ticket.
Please continue in your own words.
As I said, Your Honour, it was a Saturday evening. That's me away then.
Don't forget my lottery ticket. And remember, it's my money that's buying it. My money, my ticket, my winnings.
Look, you can't let this go on, mate. No man should have to put up with this crap.
I know, but there's not a lot I can do about it.
But it's your money. You've got a good job. You're earning brilliant money.
I know, but it all goes into the joint bank account, and she's got the only card. Don't even know the PIN.
That's outrageous. Has she not got any money of her own?
Never had, never will.
So she takes all of your money?
Yes, well, she pays all the bills. I don't even know what they come to. But there's plenty left over.
Left over?
Well, yes, she buys herself things, very expensive things. And she's never away from the hairdresser. Meals out with her pals 3 or 4 times a week. 4 holidays a year.
But you've never been on a holiday. Not as long as I've known you.
No, well, she takes her pal.
Look, you've got to get a divorce.
She won't give me one. She says she'll take me for everything, and I'll be left with nothing.
There must be something you can do.
Well, I don't know what it is. I wonder if the bitch has won anything.
Well, we can soon find out. I mean, they've got Wi-Fi in here. There we are. That's right, there's today's winning numbers.
44. Not a damn thing, not even one.
Look, wait a minute. I think of an idea that might help you out here. You go to the shop and get money and then you can show her that.
That might just work. It's well worth a try.
Yeah.
I'd better do it now, get to the shop before it shuts.
Right.
Well, I'm very sorry, mate. Could you lend me a couple of quid? I mean, the way prices have gone up, the £10 only just covers my Saturday evening. I mean, I'll pay you back next week.
Look, it's not a problem. It's just ridiculous that you have to scrimp like this.
Thanks.
Well, did you get it?
Yep. Navid in the shop thinks I'm mad. He says I'll never get anything.
Okay, you've got to play it real cool, okay? And you've got to get her to say all the right things. Is your mobile fully charged?
Oh yes, oh yes. Yep.
And do you know all the right buttons to press?
Yeah. There, and then there.
Right, great, that's it. Cheers.
Well, where is it? The lottery ticket? You'd better not have forgotten it.
No, how could I? You remind me often enough. your money, your ticket, your winnings.
Oh, good start. Got that one too. Oh, got that one too. Huh. 3 numbers. That's me got my money back. Oh gosh. Brian, what do you get for 4 numbers? Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, I've won the lottery.
We've got all 6 numbers. Quick, check and see what the jackpot is.
What do you mean we've won the lottery? My money, my ticket, my winnings. Is that a rollover? Is it a rollover? It's a rollover. It's over £12 million.
12 million? What could we do with that?
Mind this wee business. Think what I could do with £12 million.
Oh, come on, Liz. We've won that money. Think what we could buy with it.
Brian, I've told you, it's my money, my ticket, my winnings, and my £12 million.
But Liz, what about me? What should I do?
You can do what you like. I'm out of here. I don't need you or your money.
Money? And what about the house?
Look, Brian, the house is all yours. The bank account is all yours. Everything is all yours. Except this lottery ticket. And this ticket is all mine.
But Liz...
Brian, I want a divorce as soon as possible. I don't ever want to see you again.
Is that your final word?
Yes, it is. Get it done, the sooner the better. I'm off.
Stevie, is that you? Yes, it worked a treat. Got it all down. That pal of yours, the lawyer, is he still go to the golf club on a Sunday? You've already spoken to him, and he'll be there in an hour with all the paperwork. Yes. You'll pick me up in 10 minutes. Fantastic. Right, I'll see you then. Yes!
You know, it's amazing. I never knew that mobile phones could record conversations so clearly. Clark.
Thank you.
Divorce granted in favour of Mr. Brian Wallace. You have also been granted the sole ownership of the house and all its contents, and a very healthy bank account. Mrs. Wallace, you have also been granted your request. This piece of paper, a lottery ticket. Oh, and a word of advice, always check the dates on things.